Now let us start self-evaluation and revision on chapter 4 from question number 13 onward. Question number 13 states that solve the following inequations and represent the solution set on the number line. That is 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4 less than 11, where x belongs to integer. Now you see the 2x minus 5 less than 5x plus 4 less than 11, where x is integer. So I have splitted this inequation in two parts. First part, that is 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4, and second part is 5x plus 4 less than 11. So after transposing 4 to this side, it will become minus 9 less than or equal to 5x minus 2x. So again minus 9 less than or equal to 3x. So divided by 3 to both sides, you will get minus 3 less than or equal to x. And second part, that is 5x plus 4 is less than 11. 5x less than 11 minus 4. 5x is less than 7. Therefore, the x will be less than 7 by 5, or x is less than 1.4. Here the solution set will be like this: x such that minus 3 less than or equal to x, and x is less than 7 by 5 or 1.4, where x belongs to integers. Now the solution set, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. As 7 by 5, that is 1.4, is not an integer, therefore the solution set is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Therefore, minus 3 less than x and x is less than 1, where x belongs to integer. And the number line, these points will be represented by minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and these points have been darkened or highlighted by making a complete circle. Now proceed to the question number 14, which states that solve the following inequations and represent the solution set on the number line: 4x minus 19 less than 3x by 5 minus 2 less than or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x, where x belongs to real number. Here you see 4x minus 19 less than 3x by 5 minus 2 less than or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x. Multiplying all the terms by 5, we get 20x minus 95 less than 3x minus 10 less than or equal to minus 2 plus 5x. Now splitting this inequation in two parts: 20x minus 95 less than 3x minus 10, one part. Second part is 3x minus 10 less than or equal to minus 2 plus 5x. So in the first part, you solve it. 20x minus 3x less than 95 minus 10. So it will become 17x less than 85, x less than 5, means 17 divided to 17, 5 is 85, so we get x less than 5. Now the second part is and, that is 3x minus 10 less than or equal to minus 2 plus 5x. So 3x minus 5x less than or equal to minus 2 plus 10. So solve it, you will get minus 2x on the left hand side less than or equal to 8. So minus x is less than or equal to 4. Once we multiply by minus 1 to both the sides, we will get x greater than or equal to minus 4. Why it is so? Because I have multiplied it by minus 1 to both the sides. So that is why this less than equal to has been converted into greater than equal to. Now transform this in equation. So we will get minus 4 less than or equal to x. Combining these both cases result, we will get minus 4 less than or equal to x and x is less than 5, where x belongs to real number. And on the number line graph, it can be represented like this. You see, I have blackened or darkened the minus 4 and blank circle has been drawn on the point 5. Sorry, on point 5. So the line drawn has been darkened or thickened to represent the real numbers, which will be the solution for this question number 14. Now proceed to the question number 15. 15 states that they solve the following inequation. Write the solution set and represent it on the number line, that is minus x by 3 less than or equal to x by 2 minus 1 and 1 by 3 less than 1 by 6, where x belongs to real number. Here you see, I have written x minus x by 3 less than or equal to 3x minus 8 by 6 less than 1 by 6. Multiplying all the terms by 6, we have minus 2x less than or equal to 3x minus 8 less than 1, where x belongs to real number. Now split this inequation in two parts. 2 minus 2x less than or equal to 3x minus 8 and 3x minus 8 less than 1. Minus 2x minus 3x less than or equal to minus 8 and 3x less than 1 plus 8. You see on the second part, 3x less than 9 and therefore the x will be less than 3. In the first part you see 2x minus 3x less than minus 8 and it will be minus 5x less than or equal to minus 8. So minus 5x, minus x will be less than or equal to minus 8 by 5. Now multiply it by minus 1 to both the sides. So the sign of inequality will be changed or reversed. That is, x is greater than or equal to 8 by 5. That is 1.6. Now transform also this. It will become 8 by 5 is less than or equal to x. On combination of these two cases, we have x such that 1.6 less than or equal to x and x is less than 3, where x belongs to real number. Now you see on the number line graph, 1.5 has been represented here with the dark circle, and 2 and 3. 3 is blank circle or open circle, you can say. So from this point to this point will be the solution set for the question number 15. Now proceed to the question number 16. Find the values of x which satisfy the inequation And equation is like this: minus 2 and 5 by 6 less than 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 2. Where x belongs to whole number, graph the solution set on the number line. So here minus 17 by 6 less than 3 minus 4x by 6 less than or equal to 2. Now multiplying all terms by 6 we get minus 17 less than 3 minus 4x less than or equal to 12. This can be splitted in two parts. In the first part, minus 17 less than 3 minus 4x. In the second part, 3 minus 4x less than or equal to 12. In the first part, we solve further. If just transpose this 3 to left hand side, we will get minus 20 less than minus 4x. Now divide by 4 to both the sides, we will get minus 5 less than minus 6. Minus x. Again you see, if you just multiply by minus 1 to both the sides, you will get minus 5 greater than x. And now transforming it, you will get x less than 5. This will be the first part. In the second part you come, 3 minus 4x is less than or equal to 12. So minus 4x will be less than or equal to 12 minus 3. That will be minus 4x less than or equal to 9. So on multiplying minus 4 to both the sides, dividing by minus 4 to both the sides, we will get x greater than or equal to minus 9 by 4. You see, here it was less than or equal to, now here it is greater than or equal to, because I have divided both sides by minus 4. So ultimately the result will be minus 2 and 1 by 4 will be less than or equal to x. The solution set where x belongs to whole number, the x will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, where x belongs to whole number. Now on the number line graph, the 0 is also whole number, 1, 2, 3, 4. These points have been darkened or highlighted. So these are the solution of the question number 16. Now proceed to the question number 17. Question number 17 states that 13x minus 5 less than 15x plus 4 less than 7x plus 12, where x belongs to real number. Now this inequation have been splitted in two parts. 13x minus 5 less than 15x plus 4 and 15x plus 4 less than 7x plus 12 is the first part. 13x minus 15x, this 15x has been transposed to left hand side. So 13x minus 15x less than 4 plus 5. So solve it. Minus 2x less than 9. Now multiply it by, divide it by minus 2, both the sides. We will get x is greater than minus 9 by 2. Now on transforming, we will get minus 9 by 2 less than x, or you can say minus 4.5 less than x. So the solution is like this. In the second part, you can see also the 15x plus 4 less than 7x plus 12. So 15x minus 7x will be less than 12 minus 4. So ultimately here at x is less than 8. So x is less than 1. So now on combining these two cases, or result you can say, we will get x such that minus 9 by 2 less than x and x is less than 1, where x belongs to real number. On the number line graph, you see minus 9 by 2, that will come in between minus 4 and minus 5, and it has been only blank circle has been drawn. Here I have written minus 9 by 2 or minus 4.5. On the right hand side you see 1 has been circled here, but that is also blank or open circle. The line has been drawn from this point to this point in order to represent the solution set of the question number 17. Now proceed to the question number 18. That is, solve the following inequations, write the solution set and represent it on the number line. That is, minus 3 inside the bracket x minus 7 bracket closed greater than or equal to in bracket 15 minus 7x bracket closed greater than x plus 1 divided by 3, where x belongs to real number. You see, I have written the complete equation here. In equations, the multiplying all the terms by 3, we have 9x plus 63 greater than or equal to 45 minus 21x greater than x plus 1. Now complete this inequation have been divided in two parts. See, first part is 9x plus 63 greater than or equal to 45 minus 21x. In the second part, 45 minus 21x greater than x plus 1. In the first part, we will proceed to solve 63 minus 45. This 45 has been transposed to left hand side, so 63 minus 45 will be greater than or equal to 9x minus 21x. You solve it, you will get 18 greater than or equal to minus 12x. Now divide it by 6 to the both sides, we will get 3 greater than or equal to minus 2x. So minus 3 by 2 will be less than or equal to, because I have divided both sides by minus 2. So as soon as you will multiply or divide by minus integer, the sign of inequality will be changed. Here you see 3 greater than or equal to minus 2x. Now as soon as you have divided it by minus 2 to both the sides, it has become now minus 3 by 2 greater than or equal to x. Now come to the second part of the inequation, that is 45 minus 21x greater than x plus 1. 45 minus 1, this one has been transposed to the left hand side, so it has become minus. So 45 minus 1 greater than x plus 21x. So again solve it, it will become 44, and this side it will become 22x. Now divide it by 22, both the sides will get 2 greater than x, or by transforming you can say the x less than 2. So the result will be, our solution set will be like this: x such that minus 3 by 2 less than or equal to x, and x is less than 2, where x belongs to real number. Now you see, minus 3 by 2 has been represented by the point which has been darkened because it is included in the solution set, and up to 2 means 2 is not included, it is excluded. That is why it has been represented by a circle, and which is a blank circle or open circle. Now all the points which are lie on this line, which has been thickened or darkened, will be the solution for the question number 18 in equation.